What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to make a deposit in Puprime and show you some things that I feel you guys need to know about them. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Puprime. Link to this will be in the description of the video. So before we head on to showing you how to make your deposits in this platform, I would just like to share some information that I feel you guys need to know about them. So Puprime has established themselves as a global leader in fintech, which delivers cutting-edge online trading solutions across multiple asset classes. And guys, since its inception, the company has continuously evolved, leveraging technology and innovation to provide traders with a seamless and efficient trading experience. And this is actually my go-to trading platform when I am doing my trade. So with a strong global presence, Puprime operates international offices and employs a team of over 100 professionals, and all are dedicated to ensuring a high quality trading environment. So it is recognized for its excellence, and the company has earned multiple industry awards, which solidifies its reputation as a trusted brokerage. So they are not your typical new exchange where they don't have a good security and all that. This one, guys, is top notch. They have really good security to guard your assets and all that. They also have really cutting edge online trading solutions that would definitely help you out in making your trades more efficient. And guys, offering multilingual support, Puprime is prioritizing accessibility and ensuring traders worldwide can engage with their service effortlessly. And guys, in their core values, the foundation of Puprime's success is the forward-thinking innovation, and Puprime remains at the forefront of trading technology, equipping clients with the state-of-the-art tools and insights to navigate the ever-changing financial markets. And they have a super dependent service where transparency and clear communication are at the heart of Puprime's operations, which ensures clients stay informed about the market conditions and service updates. They also employ the client-first approach, where every service and feature is designed to enhance the trading experience and with a strong commitment to the client's success. So they also commit to transparency, guys. So with stable spreads, rapid trade executions, and a secure trading environment, Puprime prioritizes reliability and trustworthiness. And guys, their industry recognition and regulatory compliance. And guys, Puprime's dedication to excellence has been acknowledged with numerous awards from prestigious institutions, which reinforces its position as a top-notch brokerage. So those are the things that I feel you guys need to know about them. Go ahead and do your own research. Go ahead and check out their website as well. So let's get on to how you can make your deposit. So first, just make sure to register. Okay, it's very, very straightforward. Once you have logged into this, you just have to click on deposit right here or the one up on the right top. So if you click on this one, it will take you here where you could deposit cryptocurrency. So Bitcoin, USDT ERC20, USDT TRC20, you have the USDT BEP20, USDC ERC20, and Ethereum. So those are basically like mainstream stable coins and blue chip coins that you could utilize when you deposit cryptocurrency. And you also have the option to deposit using your credit card. All right, so 24/7 instantaneous with zero fees. You have e-wallets. Okay, you have numerous merchants right there that you could also take advantage of. You have local bank transfer. So wherever you are in the world, you would be able to select whatever bank you have in here. So you can go ahead and log in, check the local bank. So if you're going to be depositing using a bank, then this is the one that you can utilize. And international bank transfer. And this is also the part. So you have the deposit right here and then the withdrawal right here. You could transfer between accounts, and you would also be able to see the transaction history. So guys, make sure to check them out. Again, you don't really need to invest right away for you to be able to create an account. So I would strongly suggest register first and then explore their dashboard, see for yourself, you know, the features and all that. You have the accounts, the funds, promotions, X-Trader, downloads, tools, profile, and their support in this dashboard. So guys, again, make sure to follow all their social media platforms. That way when they have updates, announcements, giveaway airdrops, basically anything and everything that talks about Puprime, you will definitely be informed. And if you are new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.